all, are you looking for a light which will fill your ceiling like this? A total space science fiction ceiling right in your room with a laser light, and also have a small speaker within as well, so you can play music and at the same time control over the light using your home automation products. Change Starlight to green. Change Starlight to pink. But that's not it. Also have an infrared remote control to override home automation. Like to know more about it? Stay tuned. What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are having a look into a music Starlight. Some might say it's a LED galaxy projector, and let me tell you what guys, it is actually. But this music Starlight is actually a smart, come with the connectivity of Wi-Fi as well as the support of smart app control. You can also configure with your Amazon as well as a Google Assistant product, no problem whatsoever. Have also got the small Bluetooth speaker built in inside to enjoy the music. So here we have all the typical features which you should know about the smart light, starting with the night light, ambient light, relaxation music, perfect for the gift and a party life. And here we have all the smart features, starting with the support of smart application control, STARRY light, music speaker, remote control, voice control, as well as an automatic timer set. Pretty much decent kind of features, to be honest with you. Now as usual, to start with, within my videos I tend to go extra mile showing each and everything about the product I am reviewing, starting with the unboxing, following with the configuration and the demonstration, ending with my conclusion that what I think about the product. So this video is no difference at all. With this smart music Starlight projector, you are getting one smart Wi-Fi user manual explaining to you each and everything you should know about this light, an infrared remote control which will give you total control over your smart projector light. If you don't like to have a control using your mobile phone or the voice assistant products, remote control take two AAA batteries which are not included within the packaging, one 2-meter long USB-C type power cable, and in last but not least, smart Wi-Fi music Starlight Galaxy projector, where in the front you have all the controlling button for Bluetooth speaker features as well as the infrared light to control the projection features. Under the base 4 anti-slip studs, where on the back of smart light you have a speaker output for the 2-line drivers, following with the power on and off button as well as smart Wi-Fi connectivity, light intensity controlling rocker, USB-A port to play music from it, and a USB-C input port for charging or powering up actually of your projector light. Where on the top we have a main show stopper, a projector LED light along with the laser light which can be controlled by using the remote control provided. Well, now let's go ahead with the configuration process. If you do not want to use this smart Starlight with the mobile phone application or any voice assistant product, it's very easy and straightforward. Just need to provide power on the back of this USB-C type port, and right in here you got a button to select two. Just simply turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode will be on all the time. Now here is a basic operation straight away out of the box. You can use the remote control to turn on the laser, music, LED light right on a one click of a button. Let's suppose I wanted to turn off the light, simply just press the button, it's gone. So as the laser which is on there. And if I wanted to turn off the music, I can just simply press the music button. Simple, straightforward is that. You can control your volume using the infrared remote control, or you can do so much more in here with it. Pretty much easy and straightforward. Detailed information about it is also available within the user manual. Now connecting with the Bluetooth of this device is easy and straightforward. By default it's running all the time. By going into the Bluetooth settings of your mobile phone, you should be able to locate SKE-YBX03. Click on that one and click pair button.
Bluetooth connection.
You're also going to hear an audible notification on Smart Starlight. Now you can play music on it straight away, no problem whatsoever. Here is a bit of music played just to prove the point that it works great. By using the remote control, you can reduce the volume or increase the volume.
Volume maximize.
Navigate your playlist. There isn't any play and pause on the remote control. For that you need to use your light actually. Pause button is available in the front. Now let me show you how easy it is to configure this smart Starlight with your mobile phone and use all of smart feature it offers. Now first thing you gotta do is download an application which is available for Android as well as for iOS users. I'm on Android, so I'm going to open up my Google Play Store and search for the application which is called Tuya, G-U-Y-A Smart. Click on it and you can just simply install it. Actually, in my case, I'm getting the feature of update because I've already got a pre-installed on it. But if you do not have this, you will get the option for installation. Now, once you install it, you can open it first time and create credential with this application actually, which are very important because those are the credentials which we'll be using to configure this smart Starlight with the Amazon as well as the Google Assist. Now once you successfully created account with the Tuya Smart application, you will be right on the home screen where you need to add the device, any smartphone device which supports the Tuya Smart. Now it's time to power up our smart life and make sure it's switched towards the Wi-Fi mode. Now once switch is toggled towards the smart area, you should be able to see this light flashing. If not, you need to turn this one off, turn it back on, turn it off, turn it back on 3 times actually.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connection.
And there we go, you can see it flashing, and within the application you also get the notification there's a music Starlight would like to add in this application. By clicking on to go and add, you can just do it straight away, no questions asked. After that you need to type in the credentials for the Wi-Fi which will be used by the smart light to connect with internet. Once you type in all the credentials, click on to the next button. Wait for your music Starlight to get added successfully within the Tuya Smart application. At time to time it will take a little longer, and you also have to remember that if you have already got all these applications pre-installed with your Amazon or Google product, you should see all the setup process will be easy. Everything will be right available actually. You don't need to do anything at all. Now you can click onto the next button in here. You can change the name of Smart Light if you want to, or select the group if you want to as well. It's your own choice. Now as you can see, that's how easy and straightforward it is actually guys. It's all fully configured. Now using this application, you can actually control your Starlight from anywhere in the world as long as you got an internet access and a device is powered up. By going inside in here, you're going to get a more control too. Where to start with, first you can turn it on and off option down and below. Simple as that. Or you can set the timer on it if you want to, that after how long you would like to turn this one off, or schedule its timers as well, that what time you would like to turn this one automatically actually. You can change its colors as well by going into this particular tab. Select any color you want from the range available in here, or set the intensity as well. You can also set the scenes too if you want to, that what type of scenes you would like to have. It's like a night, a red, walking, whatever you have, just select it and off you go. Simple, straightforward is that. The process of configuring your Starlight with the Amazon as well as a Google product using this Tuya Smart application is easy and straightforward. By going into the Me area in here and click onto the third-party voice assist, like click on it, okay, and click onto the re-login. It's going to go straight away into the application of Amazon Alexa if you got already installed. You're going to type in the credentials and simply click onto the link button. That's how easy and straightforward it is. Now you are completely linked with the Amazon Alexa product. The same thing you can do it for the Google product as well by going into the Google area in here and click onto the re-login. By going into the Google Home application, it's going to reinitiate everything and it'll sort out all the connections, all the information which is needed in there, no problem whatsoever. Now we have completely managed to configure our smart light actually with our Amazon as well as the Google Assistant product. Well, our configuration process is completely done. Now we can use our Starlight using the Amazon product, Google Assistant product, infrared remote control provided, or to a smart application if we want to. Now, as you just notice how easy and straightforward it become actually. Well, now it's time to go ahead with the demonstration. When Starlight is set to work in only turned on mode, which is kind of a manual mode, you can give all the commands using the infrared remote control, like turning on the light, turning on the laser, or a music feature. All work good. And when it's working in a smart mode option like a Wi-Fi option, you can just flick onto the Wi-Fi side and all the control will be taken over by your application. And within the application, the only control you have is for this light, not for the laser at all. So I just wanted to mention this before go ahead with the demonstration. Well, now it's time to go ahead with the demonstration. I put the whole room to dark so we can see the operations very nicely. Turn on Starlight. Turn off Starlight. Turn on Starlight.
Sure, turning on Starlight.
And as you can see that how easy they are to work with. Now let's enjoy the full demonstration that how the lights looks like in the complete dark. Change Starlight color to blue. Change Starlight color to purple. Change Starlight color to red. Now this Starlight is so much room filling and also sets a very nice kind of an ambience as well, which I'm sorry to say that I'm unable to capture on my camera, but in real, to be honest with you, it looks awesome for sure. And having a laser light within it, it's fantastic. But if you'd like to turn it off, you can do it too. You can change any color you wanted to have by just giving a command to your home assistant products, and response of projector Starlight towards your home automation product is fantastic as well. And obviously if you wanted to use the application, it's even better. Simple and straightforward is that. By click of one scroll, all the colors are changing the way you want them. As I have mentioned before, that using application you can only control the light color, not its movement at all, or laser control. For that you need to use the infrared provided remote control. Now light projection is especially for the ceiling, but the whole room is filled up with the red light all around it, or whatever light is selected on the projection light. And as you can see that the bottom area of the room is on plain red color and the top is with the cloudy proper science fiction going on area. Well, here we are in the end of this video, and I have tried my level best to show you each and everything what you should know about this Starlight, the way you can configure it with your home automation, and how it looks as well in the end. And honestly speaking, I am pretty much happy with the output which I have seen so far from this Starlight. Honestly speaking, it actually brings out nebula right in your room. Looks fantastic, to be honest with you. I don't know, is my camera capturing the whole detail very nicely, but in real, physically what I can see, I can tell you it is fantastic. Fills up the room very nicely as well with the light. Looks awesome too, to be honest with you. Can install it anywhere you want. Home automation control is fantastic, 2 applications support, and if you do not like home automation part of it, you also have the manual control available with the infrared remote control. Well, so far I don't think so it's a very bad choice to buy this light for your loved one, present them as a gift or use it for your parties too. Well, your ceiling would not look boring at all for sure, I can guarantee you this completely. Now that will be all guys. If you like to purchase this product, link for that is available in the video description, and if you wanted to know more about it, ask me in the comment section down below. See you then guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.